Okay, everybody. I just died on another attempt at a pistol start ultraviolence run of map 8 module base from the Doom Zero excuse me, mission pack. I'm gonna try again. Alright, you start in this room much like map 8 in Doom 2. This circular room with a bunch of doors, although there are even more doors this time around. And sort of the fun twist here is that a lot of these rooms are straight out of the original Doom games. So this is an iconic room from map 2 of Doom 2, where you first meet the super shotgun. And here it is. It's like meeting an old friend. This is my, I don't know, like 10th attempt at this. Gosh, and I'm getting pretty sloppy about it. We'll see if this works out. Get my Berserk pack. I'm still trying to learn to love Berserk. I never really have used it as a Doom player. You know, I used to think that it only lasted as long as your screen was red, so it never really seemed to last all that long. Found out about like a month ago that that's not the case, that it lasts for the whole length of the level. So, you know, color me surprised. So I'm trying to, you know, figure, oh, I'm not supposed to even be in here yet. Yeah, okay, sorry. I did this in the wrong order. There's a lot of trying to figure out the order of these rooms on this map. So I still need to go into here. Oh, I should have given that guy a berserk punch. Anyway. You know, it's harder to stay away from damage when you're trying to punch everything. Alright, let's see here. Ow! Got that one. Okay. This is also a corridor from one of the levels in the first episode of Doom 1, I think. Or at least it's very similar to 1. I couldn't tell you what map though. Okay, so now it's time for this room down here. And let's see if I can pick off a chain gunner before I really get all the way in here. Because man, once the action starts in here, it's pretty hairy. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to take care of these chain gunners first. They are my biggest threat here. Like, let's see. They just took so much damage off of me, man. Oh, why did I try to get that armor? I already had full armor. I hate that that chain gunner has escaped my wrath so far. Alright, there. Now I feel much safer. Alright. Not the best shape I've been in at this point in the level, but it's alright. Alright, got all those rockets and stuff. A couple more rockets. Yellow key. Alright, on we go. Whew. This is a pretty stressful map, man, I gotta say. Okay. Behind this door is the goddamn Pain Elemental. My absolute least favorite enemy in the game. And it's my least favorite because it spawns lost souls, which are my second least favorite enemy in the game. Alright, got that key. Ugh. This isn't great, y'all. My health is low. There's 2 archviles in this maze in here. In fact, my health is so low, I might try to go into one of these other rooms that I don't think is a necessary room to go into. I went into it on my first playthrough, but haven't gone in again because I didn't think there was anything super useful in there. But it is the very first level of the very first Doom, so it's super iconic. But it might be more trouble than it's worth because all of these guys spawn. But I don't know, man. Let's see what happens. But if I waste all my shotgun shells in here, and all my ammo killing these things, what am I going to do about those archviles that are in the maze in the next room? So far, I haven't found any health in here. So unless there's some kind of secret, which is at this point what I'm banking on, then I really will have wasted a bunch of ammo for absolutely no reason. Alright, I guess I can use these 2 rockets I have. Oh, whew, that was close. Alright, so, is there a secret where this door is in the first Doom? No. Is there a secret where that is in the first Doom? So this room, if I'm understanding correctly, is just useless. Although you see on the map there is this gray wall over here, which signifies that it probably opens up. Very nice. And it looks like this was all worthwhile because I get a soul sphere. Nice. So actually now I feel, aside from the fact that I used up all my ammo to get it, I feel pretty good about what's going on here. Oh. Oh. So this is, of course, also a room in the first Doom, except it's moved around. In the real game, it's over there. Okay. Now, why in the world? Just a rocket? That's all that is out there? I just ran out there into some fire just to get 1 rocket. That's bizarre, y'all. I don't know, there might be something more to that. 58 bullets, 1 rocket, a maze with 2 archviles at the end. Alright, got some more bullets at least. But this is not... Alright, some shotgun shells. I just don't feel great about it. I gotta say. Don't feel great. Top off my armor a little bit. Oh, gosh. I'm not looking forward to this. I'm not looking forward to this at all. I sort of don't think I can do it. I hate to be a defeatist. Well, that's helpful. shit. So now the second one woke up. Oh, man. Alright, I got one. One's pretty good. Alright. Okay. Okay, y'all. Not doing too bad. So, doing that lowered this thing over here. This is another tough room. Once you get the blue key in here, things get pretty hairy. Let's see how we can do. Get myself some more room here. Feeling pretty good. This is the best I've done so far on this level. Ouch. All right, 41, 44, 42 bullets. All 40s, y'all. It's my lucky number now. Okay. All right, this is the farthest I've ever been. Let's see what's behind door number blue. Another classic room. I believe this room is from the end of Tricks and Traps. Let's see if it works the same. Oh shit! Oh my god, fuck me. Oh god. Oh, thank you. Oh, this room is so much nicer than the original one. You did not get this, you know, free pass here originally. Look at that. Oh. Thank you, level designers. Now if I can just make it over there. All right. Wow. So the last two of these Doom Zero levels ended in like tricks and traps. You know, or maybe no, not the last two, but the last you know, map 5, I think it is. You go into a pit of fire at the end before the level ends. The last one I played, map 7, as soon as you enter that last room, an archvile pops out. So this one, the one that's based on tricks and traps, it ends with a trap that isn't a trap. So how kind is that? How clever? How funny? Good job, Dash. That's a fun level, even though, god dang, it was stressful.